Inga and Minnie smell a bad odor from outside their home.
What a foul smell! Yeah, seems to be coming from outside.
They see uncleared garbage left outside their house.
Yuck! Look at that. Someone tossed garbage on the road. The garbage needs to be cleared too.
The garbage cart looks unattended. A long broom is also lying there.
There's no one here. Who will remove this?
They see the broom move and are caught by surprise.
Hello?
Whoa! The broom talks? Zaino, is it you?
Yes. Want to know how your city is kept clean?
Zaino takes them to an open drain manhole that is being cleaned.
Oh, the odor was from this manhole.
Sometimes they enter it too. The gases there are dangerous.
What? Only robots or machines should enter to clean the manholes, not humans.
Good idea, Minnie.
They see a truck being loaded with collected garbage. A man is dropping a banana peel. Flies can also be seen.
So inhuman. The workers are standing on the waste. Won't they get sick? Ew! Flies, stench, what a mess.
Yes, it is a dirty job, but a very important one. We should all be grateful for the risk these sanitary workers take for us.
They see two children waving to a lady who is cleaning the streets.
The lady who cleans the streets is sending her kids to school. So nice to see. She works hard so her children can study.
Right. We should give them not just support, but respect too.
Zaino mentions how domestic help who clean our houses are a big support.
Our homes are kept clean by the maids who come to work daily.
Right, Minnie?
Zaino, the magic broom, takes them on a quick trip over a railway station.
Ew, that's a lot of mess. We take these things for granted, but it's hard work.
The cleaners at the railways keep the tracks and stations clean daily.
They see trash cans being carried out of an eatery.
Look, trash all through the day and night too.
We create a lot of waste. Every hour, food and packaging trash is generated at all eateries.
Even at offices, hundreds of paper cups are used at pantry counters that add to the waste daily.
Yes, that too everywhere.
Even offices create both dry and wet waste.
Zaino shows them a public toilet. Started in 1970, Dr. Bindeshwar Pathak created a toilet system to fight against manual scavenging. Regarded as a sanitation pioneer, Sulabh International Pay and Use toilets are used by millions every day.
Sulabh also has a unique toilet museum as a showcase.
Wow, there are people who take care of this too?
Human waste needs to be managed at every locality, town, village, and city. To promote health and hygiene, the Government of India has helped build over 100 million toilets across villages between 2014 and 2019 for the Swachh Bharat or Clean India mission.
100 million toilets? Wow, that's quite a revolution.
Back in the city, they see a waste segregation center.
Now I know, segregation at source is very important.
Dry waste is further separated as electronic, plastic, metal, and recyclable waste. Some dry waste can be reused or recycled and can help people earn.
The sight of a landfill outside the city limits is a disturbing one. Wet waste is composted while medical waste is burned safely. Yet, lots of waste goes to landfills, creating an environment issue as they take years to decompose.
Rag pickers work here in inhuman conditions just to sort waste and earn. The landfill is like a waste graveyard. Sad.
Medical waste comes directly from the hospitals.
Zaino drops them back home. Everything has been cleaned up and it smells fresh.
Butterflies, so fresh. Thanks, Zainu. I will keep my handkerchief also handy now on.
Yes, remember to thank the sanitation workers who take care of our health and hygiene. Stay safe, kids.
Yes, we are grateful to all who keep our environment clean.
They learn that sometimes humanity has to deal with grave dangers like the pandemic, which can affect and kill people across regions.
The pandemic is so scary. We should follow our parents' and doctors' advice.
Use masks, clean hands often, and follow social distancing. Take care.